This is Brachiosaurus, one of the highest dinosaurs that have ever lived on Earth. Brachiosaurus lived 65 million years ago, so there's a very slight chance that you might see it ever. Maybe only at the Museum of Paleontology. Or you can make it yourself out of clay, and I will show you how to do it. The Brachiosaurus had powerful teeth. They ate only leaves of trees, but they were swallowing rocks, which helped them to digest food. An interesting fact is that the nostrils of the Brachiosaurus were placed higher than the eyes, right on the forehead. A very interesting dinosaur. The neck of Brachiosaurus was almost half of his body, so we will make the neck longer. You will not believe, but his height was of 13 meters and his weight 50 tons. If you would have lived on the 4th floor, the Brachiosaurus could easily watch into your windows. His length was longer than a railway carriage. Can you imagine that? Unlike other dinosaurs, Brachiosaurus was a warm-blooded animal, which means it maintained a constant body temperature that did not depend on the ambient temperature. He's cool, right? Brachiosaurus. We found out a lot of new interesting things about him. See you again!
Well, choose the next video. Press on the picture. Subscribe to the 4E Kids channel.